everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Rajesh Sutrakar. In the last video, we discussed about we are going to start free online Azure classes from 15th of Feb. In today's video, we will discuss about two important courses that we will cover. In the, in the classes, we will discuss about Azure Fundamental, that is AZ900, and also we will cover Azure Data Fundamental, that is AZDP 900. Both are entry level courses. If you want to understand how the Azure works, how the Azure cloud computing works, then these courses are really helpful. If you works with data and if you like to understand how the Azure data works, then Azure Data Fundamentals is really helpful for you. I'm going to tell what topics we are going to cover in those classes. AZ900 is an entry level certification course that help you learn the basic of cloud computing and how Microsoft Azure works. It is designed for beginners. Even if you have no experience with Azure or cloud technology, this course will help you step by step. You will learn how the cloud computing works, why companies are moving to the cloud, what services Azure offers, and this certification is useful for anyone, whether you are IT department or you are in sales department, even if you are non-technical role. Okay, so let's start what we are going to cover in this Azure fundamental classes. So here are the topics which we will cover in the classes. Now, first is cloud concept. We will understand what is cloud computing and why it is important. We will also talk about the key benefits like scalability, flexibility, availability, etc. We will also discuss about public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. By the end, you will understand why business prefer cloud over traditional setup. In the second chapter, we will discuss about Azure architecture and services. There we will learn Azure core services that are computing, networking, storage, and we will discuss about these terms and technology. Azure management and governance. In this, we will discuss about how we manage the Azure resources. We will talk about subscription. We will talk about Azure resources, resource group, and other things. We will also learn how we can manage the Azure services using Portal or using Azure CLI or PowerShell. We will also learn the monitoring and security and how we can secure our Azure resources. At the last or final topic, we will discuss about different type of Azure services like infrastructure as a services, platform as a services, and software as a services. So these are the important topic for Azure, and it will really help for beginners who don't know anything about Azure. This course will help you. Now moving ahead in the next classes or next course that is related to data. Here, so DP900 is a data fundamental course. This course is based on data, means how we will store the data on Azure, how we'll manage the data, how we'll analyze the data on Azure. If you are interested in database or data analytics or big data, this course is great to start. Okay, so these are the main core topic which we will cover in Azure Data Fundamental. We will first we will go and understand core data concept. In 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 this topic we will understand different type of data like structured data, unstructured data, semi structured data. We will also explain the difference between transactional data like day to day operational data or analytical data used for reporting and insights. Second topic related to relational data in Azure. In this topic, we will discuss about Azure SQL database is a cloud version of SQL Server. We will learn how to store data, how to query the data and get the information. In the third topic, we will understand the non-relational data in Azure. There primarily we will discuss about Cosmos DB and blob storage. Finally, we will discuss about data analytics in Azure. In this, we will discuss about Azure Synapse Analytics and Power BI. So these are the important topics we will cover in Azure Fundamental. Both Azure Fundamental and Azure Data Fundamental are excellent starting point for everyone interested in cloud and data. So please join and subscribe my channel to start Azure. Thank you.